Okay, you're looking at my drawers. These are my top drawers, my junk drawer, all my, not all, but some of my paperwork in here, just stuff all in here. Just, you know, I had it kind of neat before at one point, but as you can see, things are just in there. Yeah, so that's one of my junk drawers. And over here is where I usually keep some of my jewelry and extra, what do you call these, glass mirrors back here. Sorry if it's too dark. Those things like that. You know, just stuff, random stuff, some gum, another jar with some jewelry, just stuff thrown in here, tissues. And then here's one of my drawers. Yeah, this is just, come on, focus now. Waiting for this to focus. Some of my clothes in here is not too bad, but it's not, you know, it's not as neat and organized as I would like it to be. So there we go. Focusing had to take its course. And then here's the bottom drawer here. Now with this drawer, I can't even hardly open it. Can't hardly open it. Look, can't hardly close it. So it's just that I have too much things, too much stuff crammed in here. Purse, you know, shorts, and just all kind of shirts and clothes and whatnot. So I think I need to purge some of this stuff. That's what I think I need to do. Then in here is just a lot of clothes, pretty much. Let me turn on this light so you guys can, I'm hoping that you can see this good because it's kind of dark in this room. See, it's not bad, but it's just, I want it to be a little more neater and organized. And here's some more of my important papers, and that one's not too bad, but I still want to fix it up, so we'll see what I can do. So you've seen all my drawers to this dresser, and I'm going to get started with it and organize each and every drawer, and then I will be back with the reveal. Alright, you guys, here is the reveal. My gosh, all I can say for all this work that I've done is, whew, this was a lot of work. I have cleaned out, purged, and organized 6 of these drawers. This is just my little, this was my junk drawer. As you can see, I have things neatly placed back in there. You see I've got gum, tissues, little wallet, just miscellaneous things. A little green container where I put, you know, personal things. Bag there with some stuff in there, just stuff. Everything is neat though. That little cup in the back has my little pencils in there. And this is a little tip if anybody is interested. You can always use these little cute little gift bags. You know, I've kept them over the years. You can use them to put things in here, you know, in them, and then put them in your storage area. That's just a little tip if you don't know where, because all this stuff, I didn't want to just lay it down in this drawer like that. Then it would be already junky again. So I just thought, you know, I got all these little gift bags, and I just thought I'd make good use of it. Just put some stuff in there, and you know, if I really want to know what's in there, I just empty it out and try to find what I need. So that's the first drawer. Then here's the second one. This was another junk drawer of mine, and I like the way I arranged everything. In the back there's that jar this jar right here, and it also has a lot of different necklaces, whatnot. I've got a box there. I've got some rose petals. And here's another cute little bag that you can put stuff in there. You know, just for storage and just miscellaneous things, you guys. Nothing, there's nothing, how can I say it? Nothing that I can call this drawer anything specific. It's just random things. Some eyeglass cases. And this little tray with my hand sanitizers, some perfumes, and a couple of earrings, and some cute little bags. You can always use these bags, so I hope you guys take note of this tip because I think it would be very useful and helpful, and you know, using it as a storage. So those are just some little mirrors back there, just miscellaneous things. Okay, and here's my second row of drawers. You know, I thought the clothes was much easier than dealing with all of the paperwork and all of the junk that I had in those drawers, but you know, I think this turned out really nice. This drawer houses all of my t-shirts, right over here, all of that, different shirts, summer tops, and a couple of pair of my exercise pants, some of my exercise shirts. And the reason why I think it looks much nicer is because I rolled up everything. And when you roll up your clothes, it makes everything neater and you have more space. You know, as you can see, I have a little space to put something there, or I could actually lay things on top if I need some more space. So I think that turned out really good. And then this is my intimate drawer. So my underwear, I've got the bras, gloves. As you can see, I've got a few scarves in the back, different scarves, and some other scarves in here. I just keep them in a bag, and my more nicer scarves, I have it placed right there. A few socks and things like that, and a headband right over here. So I really like the way I did everything. Rolled up everything. Everything is neat in its own space, and I can find each and everything that I need. Now here are my last two drawers. Boy, 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 boy. I'm so glad that I made it through. I am really tired, you guys. This took me actually a day and a half to do because I had to stop and run an errand yesterday when I first started filming, so I wasn't able to come back to it yesterday, so I had to resume today. But as you can see, this was one of my junk drawers with all those papers and things when you first saw the first clip. So as you can see, I just purged and threw away a whole lot of papers that I didn't need. I kept some old pictures and photo albums right there. A couple of shoes, baby shoes, my kids, and an iPhone 7 Plus box. You know, I just love that box. It's such a pretty box, and I just wanted to keep it, so I really have no need for it. Just keep it in the drawer just to look nice. And as you can see, just some paper down there, and here's a cute little bag. I got, you know, put some things in there for storage. And you know, like you know, as you see, this is mostly miscellaneous things, just things that I didn't want to throw away. This here is the top. It's a glass top, and I actually have it's like a box, a glass box that goes underneath and the top goes on top, and I can't find it, so I don't want to throw this away because I might end up finding it. It's such a beautiful glass top. It's like made out of a box, so I hope I can find that. And here's some stationery papers that I have, envelopes and things like that, different cards. You know, I just put that there. And this bag here has some stuff in it as well. So, but for the most part, everything is neat and organized, and that's the most important thing. I can go in this drawer and find everything I need. And last but not least, oh, this is my favorite one. I think it's because the way things are folded up and the way they look. Here are some more workout shirts over here to the left, and some more workout pants right there, that pink. And here are some of my lingerie things and some of my little shorty short type things. And my regular shorts that I have here, some exercise tops right here. So, you know, I just thought to roll up everything and make everything look nice and neat. And I think everything looks much, much better. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I mean, now I can go in all of my drawers comfortably and not even worry. So I hope you guys pick up some tips from these drawers, how I organize everything, and I hope that you enjoyed this. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you on my channel. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all later in another video. Have a great day. Bye.